First things first, take a seat. Begin to open your MoDesk on the side with no logo. You will then find a pair of legs, unlatch the joint, and raise the first section of the legs. Repeat that step until you have reached the full length of legs. From here, you will lock the joints, and you will continue to lock up the legs. At the end of the legs, you will turn the final section 90 degrees, and that will represent the foot of the desk. You will then begin to do the same process on the other side, and again, locking up those joints to make sure your laptop is safe. Turn over your MoDesk and adjust it to a very comfortable position. Unzip and begin using your laptop. To tilt your MoDesk, first you will place one hand under the table and the other hand unlocking the joints. Tilt to where you're most comfortable and lock the joints in place. If you reach behind the screen, you will see that there is a pocket for all accessories such as files, notebooks, etc. Once you're finished with the MoDesk, close your laptop and close the top half of the case. Zip up, place back on your lap, and begin the process of breaking down the MoDesk. From the first joint, you will go back, front, and begin to collapse the legs. Repeat that step on the other side, and again, back, front. Close case and zip up. Now you're on the go. Let's get into our standing desk. First things first, prop up desk on the table. Unzip MoDesk and begin to stretch out each side of the legs. From here, you will form the legs into a box, the perfect square. Lock the joints and complete the other side the same way. From here, you will flip your MoDesk to legs, unzip, and simply begin to work. Once you're finished, close laptop and top half of MoDesk and switch to the other side. Unlock joints all the way to the top and collapse leg. Complete on other side as well. Zip up, and now your MoDesk is ready to go.